Good day, everyone. I am Mary Jean Arbolado, and it's my honor to present our research titled Sheet Moss and Organic Materials as a Two-in-One Fertilizers and Pesticides. This study explores an innovative and sustainable approach to improving agricultural practices while addressing the challenges posed by synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers and pesticides are vital component of the agricultural industry. They ensure crop health by protecting plants from pests such as mites, rodents, weeds, and harmful bacteria while simultaneously supplying the essential nutrients and minerals required for growth and development. According to HIPAA Group, year 2019, fertilizers and pesticides contribute significantly to agricultural productivity and food security. Different types of pesticides serve specific roles in maintaining plant health. Herbicides eliminate weeds that compete for nutrients, insecticides repel harmful insects like mosquitoes, and fungicides control fungal growth on plants. These innovations have undeniably revolutionized agriculture. However, the growing reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides has introduced significant environmental and health concerns. As society prioritizes efficiency over sustainability, natural alternatives are often neglected. Research by Bodecker et al. Year 2020 highlights the adverse effects of improper synthetic pesticides use, including contamination of ecosystem and risk to human health from consuming chemically treated product. In response to these challenges, our study explores the potential of combining Hypnon curvifolium or sheet moss, neem leaves, and organic materials as a natural and effective two-in-one fertilizers and pesticides. Sheet moss is known for its ability to support plant growth and repel pests naturally, while neem leaves are widely recognized for their antifungal and insect repellent properties. Together with other organic materials, these components offer a sustainable alternative that not only enhances crop productivity but also reduces the environmental and health risks associated with synthetic chemicals. Through this research, we aim to provide a viable solution for sustainable farming practices. By integrating natural resources such as sheet moss and neem leaves, we envision a future where agriculture thrives without compromising human health or environmental integrity. In this part of the presentation, I will discuss the methodology of our study, focusing on the research design employed to explore the potential of sheet moss and organic materials as a two-in-one fertilizers and pesticide. This study is qualitative in nature, utilizing a phenomenological research design to gather data. Phenomenology is a method that emphasizes understanding lived experiences and gather insights directly from individuals. In this case, we adopted a naturalistic approach to explore the real world perspective of individuals who have experience or knowledge regarding to the use of sheet moss and other organic materials in agricultural practices. The naturalistic approach is particularly useful for our study as it allowed us to gather rich and descriptive data about participant views on the usefulness, efficiency, and challenges associated with using these organic resources as both fertilizers and pesticides. To analyze the data collected, we employed thematic analysis. This method enabled us to systematically identify, organize, and interpret key patterns within the participants' responses. Through this process, we categorized their insights into overarching themes such as advantage, restrictions, and suggestions for improvement. By organizing the participants' responses into these themes, we were able to gain a deeper understanding of the practical implication of using sheet moss and organic material. Overall, this research design and methodology allowed us to capture the experience of participants, offering a valuable insights into the potential of sheet moss and organic materials as sustainable alternatives to synthetic fertilizers and pesticides.
To gather in-depth insights into the perceptions of science and chemistry teachers, we employed a semi-structured interview. This method allowed for a flexible, and conversational approach, enabling us to delve deeper into the participants' thoughts and feelings. By combining structured questions with open ended prompts, we were able to obtain qualitative data. The face to face setting further facilitated rapport building and ensuring a comfortable environment for the participants to share their experiences. For our study, we utilized purposive sampling to select science and chemistry teachers who possess relevant expertise and knowledge. This targeted approach allowed us to gather data from individuals who could provide valuable insights into these specific research questions. By focusing on teachers with a strong background in science education, we aim to ensure the quality and reliability of the information we collected.
Thematic data analysis is a qualitative research method that is used to identify and analyze or report patterns or themes, and it is commonly used to analyze data, interviews, and surveys. It helps the researcher gain more insight to their study. This qualitative research explores the participants' perspective on developing a two-in-one natural fertilizer and pesticide using sheet moss and neem leaves. So, according to this participant that we interviewed, there's a big possibility that our product might become pollutant and become a harmful to other organisms, especially if we were not careful enough and to concentrate the properties of neem leaves. And also, according to this another participant, there is a big possibility or there is a big chance that our product may become pollutant because of the high nitrogen content of the sheet moss, and it could affect the product becoming a pollutant. And also, this participant shared their opinion regarding to these challenges, and he stated that us researchers could have a hard time extracting the raw materials from neem leaves to neem leaves and sheet moss to become a fertilizer and pesticide. And all of the participants agreed and said that there is a big possibility that our final output might become successful, since the sheet moss releases the nitrogen, and when you place it on the soil, it holds moisture, and which is essential for plant growth.
And that would be the discussion part of the study, wherein the researchers would categorize and identify the commonalities represented by students given the results part of the study. The participants in the study has expressed their opinions, perceptions about the use of sheet moss and neem leaves as an alternative natural fertilizer and insecticide that would be used in the agricultural field. Some stating that it would be deemed effective due to the given natural properties of both sheet moss and neem leaves possess. However, some also point out that due to the proper handling and the lack of monitoring of the usage of the product may also bring detrimental effects to both the environment and the plant itself, and just to the surroundings completely. However, some participants also pointed out that the insecticidal and antifungal properties of neem leaves and the water-bearing properties and nitrogen concentration properties of sheet moss would also bring certain challenges. One challenge would be the interaction effect that would happen between the two materials. Whether it would be react, it would be stable or unstable, or safe or unsafe for the environment, or just to the plant itself. Another proposed problem would be that the way of the extraction of the raw material. It would be extracted in a way that it would preserve the natural or essential components needed to prove whether the study about the use of neem leaves and sheet moss as an alternative natural fertilizer and insecticide is deemed to be effective. That would be all for the discussion part of the PowerPoint. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, and I'm looking forward to share our findings and addressing your questions.